Welcome to our Tech Bite. Today on Tech Bites, we'll be delving into the instance of operator in Java. The instance of operator in Java serves the purpose of checking whether an object belongs to a specific class. Firstly, we will declare a class named car and an interface named vehicle. Additionally, we will create another class named showroom. Moving on to our main method, we will instantiate an object of the car class using the statement car new car. This will create a new instance of the car class. Subsequently, we will employ the instance of keyword to check if the car object is an instance of the vehicle interface, using the condition. If car instance of vehicle, based on the result of this instance of check, the program will print a message. If the condition is true, it will print car is an instance of vehicle. Otherwise, it will print car is not an instance of vehicles. Upon running the code, it will initially print car is not an instance of vehicle. To change this outcome, we will implement the vehicle interface within the car class, ensuring that it provides implementations for all methods declared in the vehicle interface. Upon rerunning the code, the output will then indicate car is an instance of vehicle. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more Java videos.